Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging, and this is a surprise unbagging. It comes from AliExpress, so let's get into it. Kind of a thick bag here. Oh, I was going to say let's not cut anything. Let me get rid of one of these. Maybe. Holy cow, hang on. Avalanche. Alright. Whoops, and I did cut that bag, but it's going to go into its own bag. It'll be fine. Whoop. Oh, I found that little magnet I was looking for the other day. Let me see if I can get this out of its plastic mailing bag here. All right. Let me get it out of this bag here. Hang on. All right, I am back. So this is 160 by 75, 11 count. And I'm not sure of the company. I don't see anything here. Oh, it has the colors on the back. We have 56 colors. This is just cross stitch, there's no back stitch, no nothing like that. But I will show you the picture again. Isn't that beautiful? I love all the pink trees and the river scene and the little river boat things and all the buildings. Yeah, I just thought this was gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. Just kind of looks like a watercolor, almost like the background and the mountains do, but the rest is all, you know, pretty detailed. So I don't know. I mean, I suppose you could put as many details into this as you wanted to. So we'll just have to see how that all works out. And I have no DMC numbers. That's awesome. Nope, there's none even on this. It is 649 by 281, but no DMC colors. Well, that's different. Just different. Okay. But very well printed. Now, I don't know if the symbols here will match the symbols on the canvas or not. And being 11 count, it should be more defined. So, let's see if I can open that up. But, kind of strange. Kind of strange. But very well printed. Very easy to see symbols. So, that's a good thing. But yeah, I just thought it was gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's take a look at the colors here. Everybody is all folded in here. I'm not seeing any excess. Whoop. Nope. Okay. Hang on, guys. Oh my goodness. Well, of course they put up. Oh my goodness. Seriously? Somebody needs to take a stapler away from these people. Let's see if I can get it undone. So, yep, 56 colors. Wow. I'm going to show them to you as soon as I get rid of the staple here. Holy cow. That is a piece of work. Well, okay. Let me get a hold of it. There we go. And put it away so it doesn't get on the floor. Now we can look at these. Got lots of greens. Kind of a chartreuse. This looks like 310 black. But I can't believe there's no DMC numbers on this. This is weird. Just weird. But beautiful, beautiful colors. I don't even mind these, you know, these slip over things, because I put it in a bag like that, and I just, you know, flip to which one I want, and then I just pull out a full strand of each, and that way the bottom doesn't get all messed up. This looks like 3371. I can only guess. Just, ooh, look at that mint green. Woo! We've got, looks like some autumn colors there. Kind of browns and rusts and oranges and peaches. And this is 404. And this is the product number right here. So, yeah, just kind of different, huh? Well, let's take a look at the canvas. Let me get rid of this. Oh my goodness, that is a wad of thread. I usually give these big ones their own bag for just the threads. But yeah, that is a big wide wad. Looks like a loaf of bread. French bread at that. All right, hang on. Let me get rid of the scissors because we don't need those right now. But, and of course this is not going to fit on my desk, so we can just look at part of it. But very well printed. Very nice, easy to see symbols. I like that part. And looks like, oh well, for once, yay. Okay, we're just going to lose that. Holy cow. They, oh, toolkit, 5 needles and a needle threader. Yay. But they, put, I have to show this to you. Good gravy. Hold, please. Sorry. All right, I'm back. Right here, they have a cut line. And the symbols go down the side instead of along the bottom. So that you could take this and kind of fix the edges so it doesn't fray. But you can have this in your bag with the kit. I've never seen that before. Never. Not in my life. But it's very, very pretty. I'm going to put a picture of this right in here. And that way you get to see the whole canvas. But it is very well made. Nice, heavy canvas. So I'm very happy with this. And this was like $55, something like that. So I think that's a very good deal for this big of a canvas. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm even excited for the second one. Yeah. Sorry my desk has some stuff on it, but it is what it is. Because it just was not staying there. Let's get the next one out. Yeah, this one is 83 by 200. Let's see if I could use the smaller scissors this time. And not cut the bag. Not that it's going to go back in this bag. I saw this and I went nuts. This was the same price as the other one. So, I don't know if I got these after the 11/11 sale. I think I ordered them on the 22nd of November. And, because that sticks in my brain. And I got it already. So, a little under 2 weeks. We're trying, honest. This is a wad. A wad, a wad, a wad. Get that out of there. Holy cow. Give me a second and let me get it out of its bag. All right, I am back. Will you look at that? Is that not stunning? Look at the tree, and we have the red-crowned cranes, if I can just say that. They're down here. We have deer. We have pink tree. We have writing, which I have no idea what it is. It is 820 by 312. And I don't know if you will recognize this picture or not, but this is the same picture that is my Great Wall diamond painting. So, I figured it might have a better chance of getting done, you know, being a cross stitch. Because, yeah. And we will have to see how many colors it has. Now this says classical crosswork or cross stitch. And I believe this is Mona Lisa. I wouldn't swear to it. If you know different, please put in the section below. And, well, this is odd. Okay, I see what's going on. So we have 59 colors, and we have 2 colors in back stitch. So these are all full stitch, and so there will be some back stitching. And it has separated this all out into 30 sections. So there'll be 30 pages here. And these symbols will not match the canvas. I know that for a fact. But just beautiful. They're always so well done. So easy to read. I'm trying to see where maybe there's some back stitching. I don't know. Oh, the wording up in the top. And the stamp that usually goes on Chinese paintings. But just absolutely stunning. Oh, little bird legs. Their little beaks. So nominal back stitching. I'm not seeing anything. There's not too many buildings or anything in this. But just beautifully done, very easy to see. And they do have grids along the side, so all you got to do is look for your section, and then it'll tell you what page. So, awesome. Awesome. I'm excited. And I started that diamond painting on this side, so I've got about maybe that much done of it. Yeah, no. So I'm going to put that in there so it doesn't get messed up. But I was really excited to get this. And I have seen this at other places other than AliExpress. Excuse me. Okay, let me pull this in. It's going to definitely need its own bag for colors. Oh my goodness. And I don't know. We'll look here in a minute if they have. Yeah, it did, didn't it? Tell me it did. Yeah, it has the DMC colors. So we got 310 black. No 550. No 823. No 939. We have 3371, which is the dark brown. And I don't even know if these are the same colors as on the, no. I have the key from the diamond painting over here still attached to this table, and it had 48 colors in it, so it's got 11 more colors than the diamond painting, but it doesn't have any beads or anything like that in it. So I'm just gonna, oh my god, where do I set this? All right, so let's look at these gorgeous colors. Browns, 310 black. Look at that bright yellow. Wow. Lots of greens, even grays, kind of a light olive green, maybe? Medium olive greens. And there are 5 thread cards here. Look at the blues. And then you have your bright greens. Just beautiful, beautiful colors. 3371. It almost looks black. And then we have some whites. What are they using for white? 3865 and no B5200. So 3865 is your white. We have that lovely cream color. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. And they do have the product number right there. So, yay. All right, hang on. We're going to look at the canvas. Oh my gosh. This is another, this looks like 2 loaves of bread. There you go. You can see how thick that sucker is. Okay, we're going to just set you right up there, and hopefully we won't have an avalanche. All right. So let's take a look at the canvas. Canvas is white. Holy cow. And the colors go down the side once again. And there are, I didn't see a toolkit unless it was wrapped up in something. But we do have 2 needles right there, so I'm going to pull them just so I don't stab myself. Holy cow. But very nice and big, easy to see canvas, just gorgeous. And it has its own symbols, so they're very nice and big as well. So's your back stitching, but you won't need that for a hot moment. And this is a thinner canvas than the other one, but kind of like that, because after you get, you know, all the way across this puppy, yeah, it's going to be heavy, but very, very nice. Yeah, I'm very pleased with this. I just can't believe the clarity of the symbols. I'll try to hold on to it as long as I possibly can. And I will put a picture in here as well of this whole canvas, providing I can find a place big enough to undo it. But I'm glad that I can talk. I'm so excited. I'm drooling. I'm glad this is along the side instead of along the bottom, because it's a pain in the neck to go looking for something. So, yeah. Just beautiful. Just absolutely stunning. And we're going to start one of these today at 1. So, yeah. I couldn't believe that they had made this into a cross stitch. You know, it may be, for all I know, that it started in a cross stitch. I have no idea. But I fought to get the diamond painting, because the time I got it, well, it was about out of my league. It was like at least $50 or $60, I'm sure. And I got it from Mian. It's a Mian store, cross stitch. Alright guys, that is all I got from AliExpress. This is plenty, so I will have to make their own bags and do all the things. So I will be back here at 1. Join me for a stitch with me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.